Welcome to our guide on completing pay later orders using split payments. This video will walk you through the process, ensuring a smooth and efficient transaction experience for you and your group. Start by scanning the QR code on the table. Once scanned, click on the Pay or Split Your Bill button to begin settling the bill. After accessing the bill, you can view the order details. To proceed, click on Split Bill. You have the option to divide the bill among the number of people sharing the meal. Alternatively, you can choose to split the bill by paying a specific amount. Once you've decided on your preferred method, click Pay to continue with the transaction. You'll be prompted to enter your email to receive a receipt. You also have the option to add a tip by selecting a percentage. Use local payment methods like Apple Pay, then click Pay Now to finalize. After completing the payment, you can view the order details and have the option to leave a Google review. An order confirmation email will be sent to you for your records. If there's any remaining amount due, click Return to Menu to check. This ensures that all payments are settled and you can enjoy your dining experience without any worries.